So we all know that mutual fund products have something called as riskometer, based on which you understand the kind of risk involved in a particular mutual fund scheme. But what about risk profiles? How do you know what kind of a risk profile do you have, or how do you know what kind of a risk taker are you? So these are divided into three categories. There are aggressive risk profiles, moderate risk profile, and a conservative risk profile. Now, as the name suggests, an aggressive investor could be someone who can just take any amount of risk. A moderate could be someone who can just take a very balanced or a limited amount of risk in their investments. A conservative investor would be someone who just cannot afford to take any amount of risk in their investments. Now, these three profiles are dependent on two factors. One is the ability of taking risk, and the second one is your willingness or assumption to take risk. Now, what happens in an aggressive risk profile, the ability of taking risk and the willingness of taking risk are high. So, if an investor fits in this kind of a profile, you can go out and out in a equity product. If someone is a moderate risk profile investor, then the ability of taking risk could be higher, but then willingness could be low, or vice versa, and accordingly you can decide your investment products, which could be between equity and debt, a balanced approach. What happens in the conservative risk profile is that investor will neither have the ability to take risk and will also not have the willingness to take risk, and so these kind of investors should be typically sticking on to fixed income products, debt mutual funds, or fixed deposits. So based on your risk profile, you need to understand the kind of investment instruments you're comfortable and accordingly design your investment portfolio.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.